Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Helena.
It's a great day to be a Panther.
Panthers, any student and our teacher interested in participating in the Puerto Rican parade on September 23rd, please contact Ms. Valles.
Send her an email or stop by her classroom room 5204 to sign up and share your ideas.
Let's join the staff team and bring a piece of heritage to the Palm Bay streets celebrating with our Puerto Rican neighbors.
Students, the 2023 Homecoming Dance is coming up quickly. This year's dance is themed A Night in Wonderland. The dance will be held on Saturday, September 23rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at Heritage.
The cost for the tickets is $25 and will be sold on campus starting tomorrow, September 13th for seniors and juniors. Ticket sales will continue until the 22nd or until sold out.
Sophomore and freshmen can start buying homecoming tickets next week.
A big shout out to our bowlers that take on Melbourne today. Our swim team goes to compete against Palm Bay High, and our JV and varsity volleyball team travels to Cocoa High.
Seniors, please let your parents know that tomorrow night is Senior Parent Night in the auditorium at 6 p.m. There will be information regarding senior updates, graduation requirements, and important deadline dates.
Again, Senior Parent Night, it's tomorrow at 6 p.m. in the auditorium.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!